Let us learn how to embed videos in Google Slides. Select a new slide. Make sure the layout of your slide is blank. Top left hand side, fourth option you can see is Insert. Click on Insert, click on Video. Now there are three ways in which you can embed videos in your Google Slides. One is by searching it directly from YouTube. The second is by pasting the URL of the video you wish to embed. And the third is by directly uploading it from your Google Drive. Suppose I want to upload a video on verbs. I will simply type verbs and select the video which I wish to embed. Click on Select. Fractions of seconds you will see it takes to get the video embedded in your Google slide. On the right hand side, you can see format options. Under format options, you can select the start time of your video. You can change it. End time of your video, again you can change it in case you do not wish the entire video to play. So it is quite flexible. Start time and the end time can be chosen. If you want it to be the same, then let it be. If you want that while presenting, your video should play automatically, select autoplay when presenting. If you want while presenting that the video should play on muted mode, select mute audio. If you wish to change size and rotation of your video, position or drop shadow, accordingly, you can explore these options and change it for your videos. Once it's done, you can increase or decrease the size of your video. It's very simple. Simply drag it. You can even change the background color. It is very simple and you are done. You are good to go. Let me play it for you. So this is how you can easily embed a video and change the options according to your convenience and play it for your students during your virtual classes. Now let us add another slide. Make sure the layout is blank. Insert video. Let's add a video by URL. You can simply paste the URL and the supposed video is going to get reflected on the screen. Simply select and here you go. Again, if you want to change format options, you can do the needful. Increase or decrease the size of your video as per your convenience. And again, you are good to go. Let's add another blank slide. Insert video. Now I directly want to pick it from my Google Drive. Again, a very simple process. Select and you are done. Here you go. So you can choose, embed as many videos as you want. And when you present, let me present it for you. This is how it is going to look. See? It's a very simple process. All you need to do is simply insert video and select the mode you wish to choose, and as per your convenience, embed as many videos as you want in your Google Slides. Hope this little video would help you in embedding videos easily for your Google Slides. Thank you so much.